Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make XML edits. We'll start by understanding the fundamental nature of XML, which is a markup language designed for storing and transporting data. It uses a tree-like structure with elements and attributes. Knowing this structure is key to making accurate modifications. We'll then explore the primary tools and techniques available for editing these files effectively and safely. One of the simplest ways to edit an XML file is by using a basic text editor, such as Notepad, Sublime Text, or VS Code. You can open the file directly and make changes to the text content, element names, or attribute values. This method offers direct control, but it's crucial to be meticulous. Even a single misplaced character, like a bracket or a quote, can invalidate the entire XML document, so double-check your work. For more complex XML editing tasks, specialized XML editors are highly recommended. Tools like XML Spy, Oxygen XML Editor, or even advanced features in VS Code with extensions provide significant advantages. They offer features such as syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and, most importantly, real-time validation against a schema or DTD. This helps catch errors immediately, ensuring your XML remains well-formed and valid, saving you considerable time and effort. Finally, for automated or large-scale XML modifications, programmatic editing is the most efficient approach. Languages like Python, with its element tree module, or Java, using its document object model API, allow you to parse, modify, and write XML files programmatically. This is perfect for tasks requiring batch updates, data transformations, or integrating XML editing into larger applications. It offers precision and scalability for complex scenarios.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.